On Monday, I woke up really thirsty for whatever reason, so I went to my freezer, filled up a glass of ice, filled that up with water, and literally chugged that thing. And then I wanted to figure out what I was going to have for breakfast, so I decided on one of these instant oatmeal packets in the raisins and spice flavor, so I made that with some almond milk, blueberries, and peanut butter. Then for lunch, I had one of these Santa Fe veggie burgers by Sweet Earth that were from Whole Foods, so I just defrosted that on the skillet, put some Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce on it, put it on a sandwich thin, and then added some pickles for a little extra flavor. After lunch, I was still a little hungry, so I decided to make my mom and I a smoothie, so I put banana, this bag of mixed fruit, pineapple, spinach, chia seeds, and hemp seeds. In the mixed fruit, there was peaches, mango, and strawberry, and then I added orange juice and a little bit of water to make it liquidy, and it literally, when I was pouring it, it doesn't look the best, but I promise it tastes really yummy. And then for dinner that night, my mom made turkey meatballs and pasta, and then we all had side salads with tomatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and croutons. And then for dessert, I have a sweet tooth, guys, so I had one of these vanilla chip witches that literally bring me back to my childhood. And then for Tuesday morning, I did not start my morning off with water, and I started my morning off with iced coffee and some oat milk creamer that was really yummy. For breakfast, I'm obsessed with these Kodiak Cake Power Waffles. They're amazing. I just had the buttermilk and vanilla flavor. I know there's some other flavors. I know there's a blueberry one. There might be a cinnamon one. I'm not 100% sure. So I had that with some butter, maple syrup, and strawberries. I 100% recommend putting fruit on your pancakes, French toast, or waffles because you get your fruit in and it just tastes a million times better. And then for lunch, my sister and I decided to be extra healthy and we went to Chick-fil-A. So I got a number one meal with a medium fry and a sweet tea, and of course you gotta get the sauce. And then for dinner that night we had tacos because it was Cinco de Mayo, so I had chicken tacos with white rice, chicken, cheese, and salsa. And here's me devouring a taco. The next morning, I decided to have a yogurt bowl, so I had one of these So Delicious coconut milk alternative yogurts in the blueberry flavor, so I had that with blueberries on top, and this Purely Elizabeth Ancient Greens granola, which is super yummy. You can get it at Target, and I think they sell it at Whole Foods as well. And then for lunch, again, guys, I know I'm so healthy, so I decided to have this Annie's white cheddar mac and cheese, but I did have some strawberries with it, so on the side, obviously. And then for dinner that night, we had kale chips, crescent rounds, and then this pasta with broccoli. And then for my little midnight snacky, I had oatmeal squares. Thursday morning, I was really craving a breakfast sandwich, so I decided to chef it up and make myself a bacon, egg, and cheese. So I just toasted my bagel, obviously, and then you guys will see, it took me 30 years to try to flip this egg. I don't know if it was because I just woke up or I'm just like incapable of doing anything, but I just obviously put 2 pieces of bacon down because that was all the bacon we had left. And here is me struggling to flip this egg. You got it. You got it. Nope. Oh, nope. Come on. Nope. Yup. If anyone has tips to flip an egg, please comment down below. So there's my breakfast sandwich, and then for a snack, I had one of these Made Good crispy squares, which was really yummy. This is the most random lunch. I literally had peanut butter and jelly on salted rice cakes. I don't know. I just didn't really know what to eat. And then for dinner, this was my favorite dinner we had this whole week. It was roasted cauliflower, breaded shrimp, pork, and potatoes. And then on Friday, guys, this was the healthiest day. I'm totally kidding. But I had these waffles again, the buttermilk and vanilla Kodiak cakes, and I put blueberries on it instead of strawberries. And then for lunch, I had an iced coffee and a strawberry frosted donut. And then for dinner, my mom made this eggplant sauce that was really yummy. And then for dessert, I made brownies, which were so healthy, I know. But guys, it was my time of the month. You gotta make brownies.